Exercise 2, page 34. Listen and fill in.
Hello, welcome to Splash SeaWorld.
Oh, hello.
Is it your first time here?
Yes, it is. Could you tell me what's in Area 1, please?
Of course. In Area 1, you can see the seals. It's almost feeding time, and if you go now, you can watch the seals having lunch. It's great fun.
Oh, wonderful. What about Area 2? What's there?
Well, in Area 2, you can watch the dolphins and the whales.
The dolphins and the whales? Wow, that sounds good.
And don't forget Area 3. You can take a boat ride along the river and look at the crocodiles and the hippos.
Excellent.
The ticket only costs £50.
£50? OK. Here you are.
Thank you.